Pick up for me. Say something, Caleb.
The man.
Say hi, Caleb. Caleb. Look over here. He's looking at Daddy. He's looking at Daddy. He's watching Daddy move all over. See, he doesn't even look affected by the hiccup when he does it.
Well, his stuff is very consistent, very solid. He relies mostly on his control. And now that
The hiccup. Yeah. He's seen.
This is Caleb Hiccupy. This is Caleb almost a while, but then he made a face a while ago and he looked like Phyllis.
Oh, really?
Yeah, at one time he looked like Clay a little bit. No, I guess if you put hair on it, he might look like
Stick your tongue out.
Like the Pavlovs.
Oh, all this attention. Oh. Think you'll stay awake in the car?
No way. Darling, you have some good awake time now.
See that little face, not that sleeper.
He just keeps looking at Josh. Who is that guy? He is so familiar to me. How do I know him again?
That's my daddy.
I love those eyes.
And there's my food machine over there, and that's my daddy.
What you doing? What you looking at?
Well, Mom, I've been looking around. What are you looking at?
I'm admiring my little guy. Oh. Do you have a rattle or anything? I don't think you do.
Wouldn't matter. He's oblivious to it right now.